In the 18th and 19th centuries, the Western world began to view the East with an increasing sense of fascination and mystery. This period, known as Orientalism, was characterized by a Western preoccupation with the cultures, peoples, and ideas of the Middle East and Asia. The roots of Orientalism can be traced back to the Age of Discovery, when European explorers and traders began to encounter the exotic lands of the East. These early encounters often resulted in a romanticized and distorted image of the East, as Westerners sought to make sense of the unfamiliar cultures they encountered. The rise of Orientalism was also fueled by the colonial expansion of European powers into the East. As the British, French, and Dutch established colonies in India, China, and other parts of Asia, they brought with them a sense of cultural superiority and a desire to impose their own values and beliefs on the people they conquered. This cultural imperialism was reflected in the works of many Western writers and artists, who portrayed the East as a land of mysticism, opulence, and decadence. These depictions often served the interests of the colonial powers, as they justified the subjugation of the East and reinforced the idea of Western superiority. One of the most influential figures of Orientalism was the British writer Edward Said. In his groundbreaking book Orientalism, Said argued that the Western view of the East was not only distorted but also used as a tool of power and control. He showed how the images of the East created by Western writers and artists were based on a series of stereotypes and myths, and how these images were used to justify the domination of the East by the West. Despite the negative impact of Orientalism, it also had a positive side. The study of Eastern culture and history led to a greater understanding of the East and a greater appreciation of its rich and diverse traditions. It also sparked a wave of interest in Eastern art, literature, and music, which continues to this day. In the end, the legacy of Orientalism is a complex one. While it has often been used to perpetuate harmful stereotypes and justify colonialism, it has also led to a greater appreciation of Eastern culture and a deeper understanding of the historical connections between the East and the West. Today, as we continue to explore the cultures and peoples of the East, it is important to be mindful of the historical forces that have shaped our perceptions and to strive for a more nuanced and accurate understanding of the East.